These are the deals of the day for August 18th, 2014. First, at Skin Store, they have a 20% store-wide, although that does have some exclusions with the code FALL20. So, one thing I found, the Too Faced Chocolate Bar Eyeshadow Palette, its regular price is $49. With the 20% discount, you would get it for $39.20. Free shipping kicks in at $49. So if you use the discount code, you don't get the free shipping. The shipping is an additional $5. But what I would suggest is just adding something. Like, for instance, you could get the Too Faced Sweethearts Perfect Flush Blush in the Candy Glow, that's the 3 shades, in the little tin. You'd also get the 20% off of the $30. Or if you just wanted to get something, just a little add-on, just another $5 to put you into the free shipping, you could get the Philosophy Melon Daiquiri Lip Shine for $10, or the Luminaire Fast Application Sponge for $10, or the travel size of the Caudalie Favorites from 2014 for $32, or the Peter Thomas Roth 21st Birthday Kit. It's their 21st birthday. It's on sale for $38. Today at Deal Genius, you can get the 6-piece Ico Skinny Mini Black Liquid Eyeliner Precision Tip Pens on sale for $15, down from $45 with free shipping. Today at Ulta and until the end of the month, you can get the Sexy Hair Buy One Get One Free, either the shampoo or the conditioner in the 10.1 ounce size. Back at Shiseido, you can get the 6-piece skincare bonus of your choice, either Benefiance, Bio Performance, White Lucent, or Ibuki, and your choice of bags. Today at Shark Stores, you can get the Coach Poppy Citrine Blossom. The perfume, the 1 ounce spray, is $24 with free shipping. Or you could get the Coach Poppy Flower Perfume Spray. It's $28 with free shipping. Today at the Body Shop, they have buy 3, get 3 free. I think if you print a lot of coupons that you should get the Brother 2270 printer. It's called the HL2270 and the W means it's wireless, but you could get the wired one. I have the wired one. I just plugged it into my router and that makes it wireless essentially. So the refill ink cartridges are the TN450 for the Brother 2270. And there's a huge aftermarket for them. So instead of going to the store and paying $50 for the Brother refill toners, you can get them for pretty cheap in other places. Today's deal at Super Media Store, when you use this code, and I'll put it right here, you can get the toner for $12.74 plus free shipping. Today at 6 p.m. you can get the Coach Jasmine flip-flops. Now they have limited sizes. It's on sale for $40, but the sizes are 5 through 7.5. I think the most common size is size 8, and then they also have a size 11. They have $3 sunglasses at Sears. There are 3 choices for juniors, so I guess for much smaller faces. There are 7 options at the $3 price point for women, and then they have a couple for men as well. I think this is my favorite tire gauge. It's so easy. All you literally have to do is unscrew the cap on your tire and place it on it, and it'll tell you immediately. It lights up. I mean, it's just wonderful. It's on sale for $10, down from $27. Pick it up in the store for free. You keep one in every vehicle you own. Today at Amazon, you can get the Lugu Lake Diamond Mini Portable Speaker. This is a Bluetooth speaker with a 3.5mm audio jack and a built-in mic. Your color options are the black, red, or the white at the $13 price point. If you have Amazon Prime, of course you'll get free shipping. If you don't, in order to get the free shipping, you'd have to spend $35. It may not be worth it to you. Bed Bath & Beyond is having an in-store only while supplies last 50% off organic non-stick cookware. So that means the 8-inch fry pan is now $7.50, the 10-inch fry pan is $10, 12-inch fry pan is $15, and the flipjack is $5. To find the products that I've mentioned in this video, you can click Show More to hit the down bar, and you can see a list of things. And if you like this kind of video and would like to see me make more of them, click like and let me know. And if you want to make sure that you don't miss any of my videos, like the daily ones, hit subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you.